believe. So you can see this one inside and out here, which is just fascinating.
It's another thing to hear them in operation.
All right, so now we're going to run back. We're going to say a special thank you to the Seven Stone Management, Seven Stone Mines. They're going to come out here. Our local factory partner, John Babaker, Lilac Coffee. Erwin Croys from Ambler, Pennsylvania, has brought this for us, and it may be a fast pass through that thing going on. Introduction of the models that are going to be presenting trophies, which is going to be very important for us. So we're going to introduce them all by name so everyone knows who we're dealing with. 1940 Packard Darren. It's actually brought to us by the stalls. This is actually the 30th Packard. Next class coming up are steam cars. Steam cars, I think, are just fascinating. You know, everybody jumps up and down these days about electrics and all the modern, the torque that they have. Ride in a steam car, and it's got instant power, very much like an electric, as long as you've got water boiling along in there. But this is a really fantastic.
This is an 845 series Victoria, and this is a convertible Victoria in the car, a 4-passenger convertible, but the back seat is...
No pressure, but as quickly as you can possibly get here. For enthusiasts of the year, I think you guys are going to get it.
Because you watch for me anyway.
This is the 1966 Bosley Interstate Mark II, owned by Kim and Stephen Bruno from Coconut. Everybody that walked by this one kind of said that car really...
This is a Bosley. This is the only one of this car that was built. Steve Bruno found this car in kind of derelict condition, and it's been...
We're going to talk about it in just one second, but we'll give a special thank you to the Seven Stone Management. Okay, we're going to do the Firebird. All right, we're going to do the Spirit of the Automobiles, the Otto Rosenbusch '39 Bugatti T57C deep frame from Detroit. We have a special insertion into this. We have a seat coming up here is a 1939 Packard by Darren.
Okay, so we're going to talk about the Darren Bon Vivant. He was quite a stylist in terms of an automobile.
This is our Gaslight class coming up here. The judges for this class were Bob Casey, Dave Kinney. This is a 1919 Pierce Arrow. This was the 1918 Pierce Arrow 48 multi-pack.
That's probably fair to say. Most people that own vintage Rolls Royces, very, very common. The flip top funny cars class is the one that
that we're bringing up. And we're actually 3 awards out of the class again. All the different engines, bodies, things on all 3. So what we're going to see being brought up is a 1973 Dodge Demon. But the other 2 cars that did receive line awards were the 67 and the 68 Chevrolet Camaro. This Demon that we're seeing. Another really cool classic class, Jet Age. Now this is the class of 58. And anybody, the biggest thing about class of 58 from production had the most kind of across a lot of different manufacturers. So it was a really interesting way to kind of pick a point in time. Gary Burton, Wayne Katie, Angelo Van Bogart. There were 17. It was a lot of fun. Great race. All right, we have a Packard class coming up. The judges 3 awards out of 11 eligible in the class. I'd like to know if the car from Castle Rock has been up Pikes Peak. Have you made that run yet? Next year. Good. Promise. So we've got some special stuff coming up here. These are modern collectibles. We had the chance to, one of the docents.
They sound like modern cars. They're incredible.
Yeah, they also go about 150 miles an hour when they have to. Imagine that in late 50s, early 60s you had. That was like the space shuttle dropping in on
no question.
The first one you're going to see, the sponsor of this, 1931 Cadillac C16, 5 customers.
So from many perspectives. First of all,
and we need Mark Hyman to come over here, please. Mark. Class. The first car you're seeing here is a 1928 Gene Jennings. I will tell you, directly behind is the best in class. 1930. Next class coming up, as if we couldn't tell, muscle cars. We have a sponsor for this. Lincoln Trucks Performance Engineering. And Lincoln Trucks is going to come up. John, in a second. They were actually Carl Weissler got a Monroe from our Collectors of the Year, Sam and Emily Mann. We had fascinating. So I believe they're going to parade up all the cars. E8 2020, 32 Chrysler Imperial C8.
all of these cars are giving something to, and another kind of a side note to all that, you've heard the saying.
All right, we've got some more beautiful cars coming up over the hill. This is for Bob Boniface, Wayne Cherry, and Russell Place. They were at a car show, and I think he used a red Solo Cup temporarily.
Somehow I don't think the Solo Cup cost-wise compares to what it would cost to find a great story.
All right, we have another special award coming up. Now this award is for the most significant award. The judges for this were Keith Acer by Herb Weiss of Lenore City, Tennessee. Thanks for bringing it.
I love
for holding it together.
Ooh.
I think it's improved now.
I think it is improved, yeah.
All right.
Mostly very rare automobiles. Of course, you don't walk into Napa and buy parts for these cars. Many of them have to be made in order to make the cars functional. Just an incredible grouping of automobiles. Congratulations to all our award winners.
Next up, we have foreign. The American car, 1935 Duesenberg SJ by Bill and Barbara Parfit from Hickory Corners, Michigan. And
everybody here for the Parfits and for Tom and Liz Hall who are representing. It's supercharged. There were 12, I'm not sure that number's right. Chassis and the engine. It was $9,500 on this, really the most prolific of Bugattis other than the Type 30 on the show field. And then we have the Bugatti 50.